Hi everyone, I'm Tracy, registered dietitian with FLIK Hospitality Group. Today in Teaching Kitchen at Home, we are going to be making a super fresh, super simple, super delicious Greek salsa, which is perfect on its own or makes the easiest topper for a piece of grilled fish or chicken. Let's get started. Before we get started, don't forget to wash your hands with soap and hot water for at least 20 seconds. These are all of the ingredients we will need to make today's Greek salsa, just 10 ingredients. The components that will make up the majority of this salsa are, of course, our delicious colorful veggies with the tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion. And we'll be adding a little bit of saltiness with our feta cheese and Kalamata olives. There's also some healthy fats in those olives. And we'll be adding some great aromatics and freshness with some herbs such as parsley and oregano. The red wine vinegar will give a little bit of acidity to round everything out. And then, of course, we'll season with salt and pepper. I'm sure some of you are wondering what this tiny container of herbs is that I have. While I was able to find fresh parsley at my grocery store, I was not able to find fresh oregano. But my store sells these little containers of partially dried fresh herbs. So this contains parsley, basil, and oregano. Even though basil is not in this recipe, this little container was so perfect, I had to buy it to include in this dish. And I think it'll still blend together nicely. Here we have all of our prepped ingredients. We've diced up some red onion and cucumber, quartered some cherry tomatoes, chopped some Kalamata olives. I purchased them pitted, so I didn't have to worry about removing those. I'm measuring out the feta cheese only because it is high in sodium, so a little bit is really going to go a long way to add that creamy, rich texture, but also some saltiness. Our red wine vinegar and fresh herbs. Here are all of the ingredients in the bowl. I also added some fresh cracked black pepper. I'm going to wait to taste it to decide if it needs more salt. Here is the final product all mixed together. It is colorful, it is bright from that red wine vinegar, and you do get a nice bit of crunch in the cucumber and the red onion. It's a really nice, refreshing summer Greek salsa. Thanks again for joining me today in Teaching Kitchen at Home. Enjoy making this delicious, simple Greek salsa. You could easily add some garbanzo beans or white beans for a vegetarian side dish. Or again, this makes the perfect salsa topper to a grilled piece of fish, maybe some scallops or shrimp, or some grilled chicken. Happy cooking, everybody!